Have you ever wondered why your energy, confidence, or desire just isn't the same anymore? You're not alone. Many men over 30 quietly notice changes: slower mornings, lower drive, less excitement. They often blame stress, age, or long work hours. But sometimes it's deeper than that. Your body's chemistry shifts with time, testosterone dips, blood flow changes, even small nutritional gaps can affect your mood and performance in and out of the bedroom. Here's the thing, you don't have to accept that as just getting older. There are science-backed supplements that support your sexual health, energy, and confidence, naturally. I'm not talking about quick fixes or miracle pills. I'm talking about nutrients that help your body do what it's meant to do, function well. As a urologist, I've seen countless men regain vitality with the right support. Sometimes it's about improving circulation, sometimes it's about restoring hormonal balance, and sometimes it's simply about nourishing your body properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 supplements every man should know about for better sexual health. You'll learn what they do, how they work, and how to use them safely. If you've been feeling a little off, stay with me. By the end, you'll understand what your body's been trying to tell you and how to respond. Let's be honest, when your energy drops, everything feels harder. You wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. You lose focus at work. And when intimacy comes up, your body doesn't always respond the way it used to. It's frustrating. You start to wonder, is something wrong with me? You might even avoid talking about it, hoping it's just a phase. But here's the truth. These changes are common, and they often start silently. As men age, testosterone levels decline slowly, about 1% per year after 30. Add in stress, poor sleep, processed foods, and long hours at a desk, and your body's natural systems get out of rhythm. Blood flow decreases, nerves don't signal as sharply, and fatigue becomes your new normal. The result? A subtle loss of confidence, not just in the bedroom, but in how you feel about yourself. And that matters, because sexual health is deeply connected to overall health. Your heart, your hormones, your mind, they're all linked. When one struggles, the rest follow. So, when we talk about improving sexual performance, we're really talking about improving your total health. And that's the good news. You don't need extreme treatments or risky drugs to start feeling better. Science shows that certain nutrients, when used properly, can restore balance naturally. Think of it like giving your body the right tools. You're not forcing it to perform, you're helping it recover. So ask yourself, when was the last time you really took care of this part of your health? Because when you do, your confidence rises, your energy returns, and your relationships feel stronger. In a moment, I'll share the 5 supplements I recommend most often as a urologist. Each one supports a key system that drives male vitality, safely and effectively. Top 5 urologist recommended supplements for a stronger, healthier sex life. First, L-arginine, the circulation booster. Let's start with one of the most well-researched nutrients for male sexual health, L-arginine. This amino acid is a precursor to nitric oxide, the same molecule that helps your blood vessels relax and widen. Why does that matter? Because good blood flow is essential for a firm and lasting erection. It's not about desire alone, it's about healthy circulation. When nitric oxide levels drop, blood flow to the penis becomes weaker. That's one of the earliest and most common causes of erectile issues in men. By increasing nitric oxide, L-arginine helps support stronger, more natural responses. It's not a drug. It simply supports your body's own vascular system. You can find it in foods like nuts, seeds, and fish, but supplements can give a more consistent dose. I usually recommend around 2 to 5 grams per day, divided into 2 doses. For best results, combine it with antioxidants like vitamin C or pycnogenol, which help nitric oxide last longer in the bloodstream. And a quick reminder, if you take blood pressure medication, check with your doctor first. We want to enhance, not overdo, the effect. Second, zinc, the hormone regulator. Next up is zinc, a quiet but powerful mineral for men's health. It's involved in hundreds of biological processes, but one of its key roles is regulating testosterone. Low zinc can lead to lower testosterone production, fatigue, and reduced libido. Unfortunately, modern diets, high in processed foods and low in whole grains or shellfish, often lack enough of it. Studies show that restoring zinc levels can help improve both testosterone and sperm quality. It's one of those small, nutrient, big impact supplements. The typical dosage ranges from 10 to 25 milligrams per day, ideally from zinc citrate or zinc gluconate for better absorption. Too much can cause stomach upset, so stay within that range unless supervised by your doctor. Zinc also helps your immune system and wound healing, meaning you'll not only feel better sexually, but also recover faster overall. Third, Panax Ginseng, the energy restorer. This one's often called the natural Viagra, but that nickname doesn't do it justice. Panax ginseng, especially the Korean or red variety, has been used for centuries to improve stamina, focus, and vitality. Modern studies back it up. It helps improve nitric oxide levels, reduces oxidative stress, and supports adrenal function, the glands that manage your stress hormones. If you've been feeling mentally drained or physically sluggish, ginseng can help restore that spark. It's not an instant stimulant. It works gradually, building your body's resilience over time. I usually suggest 200 to 400 mg per day of a standardized extract, ideally in the morning. Too much can cause jitteriness or mild insomnia, so balance is key. Think of ginseng as a way to reset your energy systems, steady, calm, and natural. Men who take it often report improved endurance, mood, and overall satisfaction. Fourth, omega-3, fatty acids, the heart-body connection. You might not think of fish oil when you think of sexual health, but omega-3s are crucial. They improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and protect your blood vessels, including those that supply the pelvic region. Your sexual function depends on healthy endothelial cells, the lining inside your arteries. When these cells are inflamed or damaged, blood flow weakens. Omega-3s found in fatty fish like salmon or in supplements help repair that lining. They also support brain and mood health, which play a big role in desire and confidence. A calm mind leads to better connection, emotionally and physically. For most men, 1,000 to 2,000 mg per day of combined EPA and DHA is a good target. If you're on blood thinners, discuss dosage with your doctor. And remember, improving heart health almost always improves sexual health. They're two sides of the same system. Finally, ashwagandha, the stress balancer. This one might surprise you. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb from Ayurvedic medicine, helps balance stress hormones like cortisol. Why does that matter? Because chronic stress can crush testosterone, weaken erections, and dull desire. When your brain is constantly in fight or flight mode, your body deprioritizes reproduction. It's not malfunctioning. It's trying to survive. Ashwagandha helps reverse that stress pattern. It calms the nervous system, improves sleep, and even supports testosterone production in some studies. Men who take it often describe feeling more relaxed, focused, and confident, both mentally and physically. I typically recommend 300 to 600 milligrams per day of KSM 66 or sensoril extract, taken with meals. You'll likely notice gradual improvement over a few weeks, not overnight, but when combined with healthy sleep and exercise, it can make a big difference. A final word on safety and balance. Now, I know supplements can sound like an easy fix, but think of them as support, not substitutes for lifestyle. No supplement can replace exercise, sleep, hydration, and emotional connection. They amplify your foundation, not build it from scratch. So before starting anything new, talk to your healthcare provider, especially if you take other medications. Your body deserves safe, tailored care. When used wisely, these 5 supplements, L-arginine, zinc, Panax ginseng, omega-3s, and ashwagandha, can help you feel stronger, more energetic, and more confident. They help your body remember how to thrive again. Because a better sex life isn't just about performance. It's about energy, connection, and vitality. Let's take a moment to bring it all together. When we talk about sexual health, we're really talking about whole body health. It's not just about one organ or one hormone. It's about energy, circulation, mindset, and confidence working in harmony. You've learned about 5 doctor-backed supplements that can help you restore that balance, naturally. L-arginine supports your blood flow, helping your vessels open and deliver oxygen where it's needed most. Zinc helps your body maintain healthy testosterone levels, giving you strength and vitality. Panax ginseng rebuilds stamina and focus, helping you manage fatigue and stress. Omega-3. Fatty acids strengthen your heart and arteries, because better circulation means better function everywhere. And ashwagandha brings it all together by calming your stress response, helping your mind and body reconnect. When these systems are aligned, something changes. You don't just perform better, you feel better. Your mood improves, your confidence returns. You begin to feel more like yourself again. Remember, supplements are not shortcuts. They are gentle nudges that help your body find its rhythm again. You still need good sleep, balanced meals, regular movement, and emotional connection. As a urologist, I've seen that real improvement doesn't come from one pill or 1 week. It comes from consistent, mindful care, listening to your body, understanding what it needs, and responding with patience. So if you've been struggling with low energy or changes in your desire, don't ignore it. These are signals, not failures. Your body is asking for support, and when you give it that support through science-backed nutrition, calm mindsets, and healthy choices, it responds beautifully. Always listen to your body. Always respect what it's telling you, because your sexual health is not separate from your happiness. It's part of it. Take one step at a time. Start with awareness. Then make small, consistent changes. That's how you rebuild energy, confidence, and connection from the inside out. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, take that as a sign. You're ready to take charge of your health. I share these insights because I've seen how small, informed changes can transform lives. When men start paying attention to their energy, hormones, and habits, everything improves. Not just their sex life, but their confidence, focus, and relationships too. So, if you found this useful, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here, we talk about men's health from a doctor's perspective, calmly, honestly, and with compassion. No gimmicks, no hype, just practical science and real care. And if there's one thing I want you to remember, it's this: your body is incredibly adaptable. Even after years of stress, fatigue, or imbalance, it can recover. You just have to give it the right tools, the right nutrients, and a little patience. So take care of yourself, support your health, and never be ashamed to seek help. That's what real strength looks like. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo. Thank you for watching and for choosing to invest in your well-being. Take care of your health. I'll see you next time.